Hi, I'm Ben, Technical Architect here at TSG, here to talk about our new batch record administration tool. A common requirement we hear from our life sciences clients is having the ability to combine many separate documents together into one large batch record. The new ActiveWizard administration interface was designed from the ground up with batch record creation in mind. In this demo, I'm going to create a new batch record master template and add individual documents that make up its individual parts. For our example, I'm creating a master batch record for the production of a batch of TSG product X. When I create a batch of TSG product X, I'm required to include 3 separate documents for different parts of the manufacturing process, including sampling, filling, and packaging. In the example of TSG filling 50, this document includes the ability to dynamically resolve placeholders into the individual documents to prevent errors and ensure consistency across all documents of the batch. This bill of materials document has several places that we're able to merge in information entered at the time that the batch is created. Once I have all my documents in the repository, I'm ready to add them all to my new batch record master for TSG product X. In the new administration interface, I have the ability to easily add documents to my master, as well as the ability to categorize them according to my manufacturing process. I'll go ahead and add the rest of the documents to my batch record master at this point. I'm now going to configure the data list or substitutions that are used when I create one of these batches. I'll use the product code as my first example, as this was one of the substitutions in the document in Word we looked at earlier. I can include as many of these substitutions as I want, and they're used in just this batch record. If I scroll down, you'll see that I have the ability to use a global substitution as well. These substitutions are used across potentially many different batch record masters. I'll include the 100 milligram substitution so that the substitution for 100 milligrams is included everywhere, the location dropdown so that we know where this is being produced, and the all-dot substitution, which applies across every type of document that we're creating. Once I save my batch record master, I have the ability to check the Flatten Questions dropdown, which shows all of the substitutions that are going to be included when I create one of these. I'll now choose the Publish option to publish this batch record master to be able to be created. Once my publish has been completed, if I click on the Manage Versions button, I'm able to see all of the versions that were published up to be able to be created, including being able to activate a version to be created, or to test just to preview what it's going to look like. On the test screen, I'm going to see the information that's required in order to make this batch record. Any questions that do not include automatic placeholders are asked of the user at the time of creation. I'll choose the expiration date, lot number, and line number, as well as typing in the lot size, as those were all required parameters to create a record. Once I click the Preview button, a preview of my batch record is created. We'll notice that each section created an index page for us to show which documents were included, what page numbers they are, what version, and what the effective date was, as well as an overlay being included with the product name, product code, and lot number. We also include the overall page numbers so that the record has its entire page system intact. If we scroll down to the first document, you'll see that the overall page numbers are incremented, as well as listing the document pages for this individual document and the document number. We also see our first placeholder and that the field location, HS5A, was included because of the overlay. In the next filling section, here's our index page listing the page numbers, and this filling document has substituted in 100 milligrams, the fill requirement, the drawing number, as well as the lot number in every location that we included that placeholder. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration of the new batch record admin from TSG. Please contact us for a demonstration to see how the Active Wizard in HPI can help automate your manufacturing and batch record creation process.